Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x squared, y squared, xy. They are degrees number 2. So we can use about homogeneous. Next, we need to divide both sides by dx. Now, I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of v, you got about dv over dx multiplied by x. Next, we do first the derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we just have only v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So about y, we change vx. This one we change by this one. Now you got about v squared s squared. This one you got about vs squared. Now we need to simplify s squared for the both sides. So I will put this one go to the right. And you got about negative 1 plus v squared. Later that we divide both sides by 2v. Now we need to open parentheses of this one. And then I will put v go to the right. You got about negative v. So we have negative, negative. I will put the negative go to the left. So this one you got about positive. Now we need to do common denominator. So this one you got about 2v squared. So 2v squared plus v squared, you got about number 3. And then we put this one go to the left. The s and s will go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So I will need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus 3v squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. And you got about the u equal to 3 2v. Because first the derivative of v squared you got about 2v. Number 1 you got about 0. Next, because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. 2v dv we change by du over number 3. The integration of this one you got about negative 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. About this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And then we need to change v into y over s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.